Welcome, readers. Today is Monday, November 9th, 2020. Welcome back to another week of school, and welcome to Reading Workshop. We are going to discuss print and graphic features today. But before we get started, these are the materials you will need. You are going to need a pencil and your reading journal. If you don't have these items, go ahead and pause the video, collect your supplies, and then come back to join me again. Okay, now that you have your supplies, let's go over our objectives for today. I will review media and media techniques. We will recognize how authors use media techniques, and you will use your knowledge of media techniques to understand information presented in an informational video. Media is the means of communication chosen to convey information. The video homesteading that we will be watching today is an informational video. Remember, informational videos often contain media techniques to help explain ideas to its viewers. Narration is the act or process of recounting events. In informational videos, a narrator is often used to describe events, the details surrounding them, and their causes. Sounds are also used to enhance informational videos. These can include sound effects, dialogue, and music. Graphics are often included in informational videos also. Graphics can be images and pictures that are related to important ideas within the video. These add to the viewer's understanding of the topic. Media techniques can help you better understand the information presented in media. We will practice identifying media techniques to gain a deeper understanding of key ideas in the video homesteading. Videos are created to show information as well as to tell about it. To accomplish this, a filmmaker must tie the narration to the visuals. What does the narration tell you about the Dakota Territory? Take some time to copy this question in your reading journal, and then whenever you're finished, press play. Okay, now that you're back, let's view the informational video to see if you can identify the answer to this question. What does the narration tell you about the Dakota Territory?
It was called the Great American Desert, a wasteland, a barrier to be crossed on the way to the Pacific coast. The flat, treeless prairie was some of the most fertile land on the continent, yet to early explorers accustomed to thickly forested landscapes, the land looked worthless. To others, the vast prairies of the Midwest offered a chance to achieve the one
Okay, friends, now that you're back, take some time to answer the question that you copied down previously. What does the narration tell you about the Dakota Territory? Okay, great, you're back. What did you notice? Let's see if you got it right. Well, the soil is good, and there are no stumps or roots, and very few stones to interfere with farming. That's what the narration tells us about the Dakota Territory. All right. Now that you've answered that question, let me ask you this. What did you learn about the Dakota Territory from the visuals? Take some time to answer this question, then press play. Remember to write down the question and the answer in your reading journal. Okay, welcome back. Well, the land is covered with grasses. It's not very hilly, and there are few trees. We can tell this from the visuals that are used during the video. Remember, media techniques are used on purpose to help us understand ideas as readers. Now that you've recognized the media techniques and how to use the techniques to understand information presented in an informational video, you are going to complete the Know It, Show It page 86 on your own. Be sure to turn in your assignment how your teacher instructs you to through Google Classroom. Thank you and have a great day.